Habas ngokiai ke jingtmu jong sarkar India nak banta ban pyntrei kam yak uniform civil court u chief executive member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ula khot yak jingelang jongki lightly ki Autonomous District Council nak banta ban thir janai halor kate ke jingtmu jong sarkar India. Hakani ka jingelang lawan ban simbanta lang dau chief executive member ka Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council uba thombor siwat haka jinge senran lang u deputy chief executive member uba Octo Miwan Lamin karbana Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council lawan mikmat dau chief executive member u Albinos R Marak bat ki executive member. Habay kran bat kilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ka jingelang uba tita starwal khan uba de chief executive member ka ADC ulaong baha ka te jingelang nakal yang jongki lightly ki Autonomous District Council kila kran sani bha namar bala dapan trai kam yak uniform civil court ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council kin ïeng pyrshah ek jing pen trai kam haki jaka ki baha hapoh ka kernit ka banrio jong kariti sensyar kari India
that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will pass also a resolution in our respected council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the amendment of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long, so we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues that are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Kyrwoh Hills and Kyrwoh Hills that in ADC we have passed Act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, we should pass this bill so that implementation of village council will not no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council like Kyrwoh Hills and Kyrwoh Hills also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill which we call Village Development Council Bill. Thirdly, there are matters which we have discussed is regarding financial matters. You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share, and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the 3 ADC, especially like a plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time, because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme, because from the central government they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund like on tight scheme right from 21, 22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the 3 ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place. Fourthly, we have discussed about the implementation of this Swamita scheme by the central government, that we are totally opposed regarding this implementation of this scheme in our state, because our land tenure system is totally different from other states in the country. We have our traditional practice, we have our own land holding system in our state, so that's why implementation of Swamita scheme in our state we are not accepting.
Whatever we have discussed in this meeting, it will be good for everyone and for the welfare of the people of Kyrwoh Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. So I hope that this kind of meeting is very, very much important for us, and whatever we have discussed regarding this agenda, so it will be very much helpful for us.
But only the things that you see in our Jaintia Hill District Council, we are already having that act, that appointment of chief and headman, Act 2015. But we had already discussed here, if that act we had already have with us may not be approved or may not be accepted by the central government. So that is why we had already decided jointly within 3 autonomous district council, we will have this village development council to be formed with immediate